Hi friends, let's learn the sounds made by the commonly found animals around us. Bats make a screech. Bees make a buzz. Big cats, lions, tigers, etc., make a roar, growl, snarl. Bitterns make a boom. Cats make a mew, meow, purr. Chickens, female make a cluck. Chickens, male make a cock-a-doodle-doo. Chinchillas make a squeak. Cicadas make a chirp. Cattle make a moo. Crickets and grasshoppers make a chirp. Curlews make a pipe. Crows make a caw, caw. Deer male make a bellow. Dogs/wolves make a bark, howl, bay, arf, bow wow, ruff, woof, yap. Dolphins make a click. Donkeys/asses make a hee-haw. Ducks make a quack. Eagles make a scream. Elephants make a trumpet. Frogs/toads make a croak, ribbit. Giraffes make a bleat. Geese make a honk. Guinea pigs make a squeak. Hamsters make a squeak. Hares make a squeak. Hermit crabs make a chirp. Horses make a neigh. Hippopotamuses make a growl. American woodcocks make an egg. Elk, male, make a bugle. Ferrets make a duke. Antelopes make a snort. Badgers make a growl.
If you like this video, please share with your friends, and don't forget to click the subscribe button.